to tackle the challenges in complex surface modeling. CrownCAD 2026 introduces new professional-grade curve tools, including Intersection Curves and Conic Curves, better meeting the high-precision modeling requirements in industries such as automotive and aerospace. Conic curves enable the rapid generation of parabolas. The spine curves and intersection curves functions can extract planar elements to create 3D control curves or multi-element intersections. The smooth curve function optimizes the tangency and curvature continuity between curves. Providing high-quality guide curves for surface features like swept surfaces and lofted surfaces, facilitating the construction of high-quality complex surfaces. After surface creation, Isoparametric curves can be generated from parametric locations to analyze surface geometric characteristics and drive design optimization. Additionally, these curves can also serve as reference geometry to support the creation and editing of subsequent surfaces.